Today I am going to show you how to use Plasti Dip. This is the spray version. Here we are going to put a grip on the handle of this adjustable wrench. So I've already taped the head of the wrench where I don't want any of the Plasti Dip to get, and I've placed it in this foam block to hold it up for easy application. The first thing that you want to do is shake the can for a full minute before spraying. Once that's done, you want to test your spray. I'm just using the cardboard that I have set up here to catch any of the overspray during this project. Now you will notice that it sprays in a vertical pattern. While you are spraying your project, you want to hold the can 6 to 10 inches away from your project and spray while moving the can back and forth, overlapping the previous spray. This will ensure an even coat. Again, having my project in this foam block makes it really easy for me to just turn the wrench and get all of the sides. For this project, I am going to be applying a total of 4 coats. When applying each coat, you want to spray it until the surface has a wet look to it. And once you are satisfied with that current coat, you need to wait at least 30 minutes until applying the next one. During application, you want to avoid applying it in direct sunlight, high humidity, or breezy conditions. And you can apply this to a variety of materials from plastics to metals. This here is an 11-ounce can and it can cover up to 10 square feet of surface area, though that really does depend on how many coats are being used. You can apply as many coats as you want, however it will vary depending on the project. On average, users will apply between 3 and 4 coats. After that final coat, you need to wait at least 4 hours before using your project or your product that you're spraying the Plasti Dip on. For this one, I actually waited until the next day, so it's almost been close to 24 hours now. Now I'm just going to take it out of the foam block and remove that tape so that we can check out our final product. That's how you use Plasti Dip. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you like DIY around the house, please feel free to check out some of my other videos and subscribe if you like this kind of content. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.